How are you? I thought you were not coming here. So what did I get for you? Farmers, give me this up. Seriously, I have waited and waited. I was thinking of coming. So thank you so much. Go on and have your day. Go on. Go on.
Thank you.
So, tell me about yourself, Amaka. What school did you finish from?
FPU.
FPU.
Yes.
What's that?
Federal Poly, Onisha.
Oh. Federal Police. It's nice. It's nice. What's your discipline?
Discipline. Amaka is a good girl. Amaka is a good girl.
I mean the course you studied.
Oh. Business. Business.
Have your drink. Have your drink. Have your drink.
Sorry.
You're beautiful. I hope you're not blushing. So when did you have your? When did you do your NYC?
Anyway, that was very, very hard. You see that time that we are in the school that lecturer is very wicked. Anytime the lecturer comes to our class like this, just be fighting, doing the face like this all over the class. Even my friend, Chidima, even if you pay, all of them, if the lecturer comes to the class like this, all of them will be sleeping in the class. That course is very hard. That's the second
semester.
Yes. Then the lecturer comes to the class. When the lecturer comes to the class like this, he came to the board. He said, "Everybody stand up."
Wait. So you did NMPC? One chance. Barman, please bring more. Olumo rocks. Yes. Olumo rocks. Yes.